Meaning of foreign returned.
Foreign returned.
Foreign returned.
Foreign returned.
Foreign returned. The term foreign returned refers to individuals who have returned to their home country after living or studying abroad for a certain period of time. These individuals are often seen as having gained valuable experience and knowledge from their time abroad, which can be beneficial in various aspects of life such as career advancement, personal growth, and cultural understanding. However, being foreign returned may also come with challenges, such as readjusting to one's home culture and finding suitable opportunities that utilize their international experience.